So Brimstone, this is going to be easy because I have roughly the same style of beard. First, let me trim to get even lengths of hair throughout my beard. For any style of beard to look good, you need to clean up your neck and upper cheeks, even for the thickest and longest beard. अगर आप लोग मेरे या ओशन को फॉलो करते हो तो ऐसा लगेगा इनके पास तो अच्छा सा स्टाइलिंग क्रू होगा, हर गेम के पहले अच्छे से दाढ़ी बना के आते हैं. But really, this is my pro stylist. To get clear, sharp beard lines, you need a safe single blade. A barber's ustra or even a safety razor in which you screw in a blade needs a lot of practice. But this back blade is perfectly safe while giving you well-defined beard edges. This is a precision which a true esports player puts into his style game. I'm going to turn my chin up and do the same with the beard lines under my chin so that my neckline also looks that clean. And it's done.